So I received my package that I ordered from Victoria's Secret. And I'm so happy that you can order from Victoria's Secret now in Sweden. Before you have to go to other city if you want to buy something from Victoria's Secret, like in Gothenburg. But now it's really nice that you can order it. So we're going to open. They have buy two and you get free two of the things. So I ordered this Victoria's Secret Rush. And then Aqua Kiss. Aqua Kiss. Aqua Kiss. Pure Seduction. One of my favorite lotion perfume. So, and that's it. No more. So this is when you want to return it, so they have a return drop off if you want. And this is my so it has $1.99 each. I don't know, like that. Then it's because it's buy two and take two, so I will only pay I've only paid $389. So again, I have the Victoria Rush, Aqua Kiss, Aqua Kiss, and then we have the Pure Seduction, and then